Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can group text in Canva, so let's get right into it. Now, firstly, to group the text, we actually need some text, so let me add a couple of text boxes, move them around, then add some of these effects, so to speak, and now I'll group all of this together. Now, as you can see, they all have different sizes and different sort of, well, segments, and you can very easily separate them if they're together like this. I'll just delete this one, and now you can get to actually grouping them. What you need to do is to highlight several parts of text that you want to group together, and then click group like this, or go into the three dots and click group, or click Control G, and it'll group your, well, image or your text. For some reason, Control G is opening up my find in page menu, so you can just use this button here, and it has been grouped together. And as you can see, whenever I move one piece of text, the others follow in suit. Now, for example, let me make this in a bit of a pattern like so, a bit of a zigzag. Highlight everything, click group, and now it's all been grouped together and they all move in unison. And that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.